if x minus 2y plus k equals 0 is a median of the triangle whose vertices are at points a minus 1 comma 3, b 0 comma 4 and c minus 5 comma 2, find the value of k. Now what we see here is a linear equation on x and y, and this is given to be the equation of a median. A triangle has 3 medians. Now this can be the equation of any one of the 3 medians. Which one? We do not know. This is the equation of which median? We do not know. Now we need to find the coordinates of a point that lies on this median. And we know that the centroid is a point which lies on all the 3 medians. So let's find the coordinates of the centroid. The coordinates of the centroid can be found using the formula x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. And we are given the coordinates of a, b and c, which are the vertices of the triangle ABC. So using the formula, find the coordinates of the centroid, and that works to minus 2 comma 3. Now since the centroid lies on the 3 medians, or the centroid is a point common to all the 3 medians, let's use the values or the address of the centroid in this equation and find the value of k. In other words, the coordinates of the centroid will satisfy this equation. So in this equation, substitute x with minus 2 and y with 3, work it and find the value of k, and we'll find that the value of k is 8.